Good afternoon, Grand Walkers. I hope you're doing well. Today we are doing something I've never done before, a hop on, hop off. I got a lot of feedback about talking to you and sorry about the noise, traffic, morning, rush hour. Got a lot of feedback from these kind of walking, talking videos, so I'm going to do another one of these. They take a little bit more time to record and edit and all that, so it won't be up too quick. And anyway, so I've never done a hop on, hop off bus tour before, so I thought I'd do it here in Kuala Lumpur. I've already seen a lot of the stops, so I'm just getting some B-roll for all the places. And anyway, and I'm just walking to the first bus stop, which luckily enough is only around the corner from where I'm staying. So the hop on, hop off cost me 60 RM, which is about 13 euro, give or take. It starts from 9 AM, although this says 10 AM start pick up from this location. So hopefully I'm not stuck here for an hour waiting. And it's the last pickup, the last bus you can hop on is 4 PM. So it stops around 20 stops. I've already done the majority of them, so there's only one or two places I really want to stop at today. There is also the night tour bus, which costs a bit more. I think it was 90 RM, which is probably about 17 euro. It could be worth it, but I'm already going to the Petronas Towers later on today. I had to buy my ticket separately, and I've got a 5:15 show there. Not a show, you know, ticket to go to the place, and then I'm going to wait around there and then a light show. So I don't know if I'm going to incorporate it with this video or it's going to be a separate one. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, I'm just going to wander around. I'm going to show you the map now in a minute, and I've already seen most of the places. And anyway, the National Palace you can't actually get into, so it's just basically taking a selfie at gates. So I'm just going to stay on the bus and then just take footage from the bus. It's no point in getting off because there's a 30 to 40 minute wait per bus stop for the next one. So I don't want to wait 30 minutes just for one selfie. I can take that from the bus. And anyway, so I'll catch you in a minute. So looking over the map, I found 3 places I wanted to stop at. I've been to basically everywhere else. So one of the stops is the Swiss Garden, so it's only like 3 stops after here. The other one is Titiwangasa Lake Gardens, and of course the Petrona Towers. I'm going to do a little bit of footage there. I've been basically everywhere else. I've been to the tower, I've been to the mosque, I've been to the Sultan's thing, I've been to the old railway station. I might stop off at the Sri Maharamin temple, depending on how it looks from the outside. If it doesn't look too impressive, I'll probably stay inside. But I've been basically everywhere else of my own accord. I just thought I'd do a hop on, hop off tour, because you know, you get to see different parts of the city, you get an elevated view of the city. So we'll see how this turns out. It should be some interesting day. And then I'm got a night tour up there as well, and then there's a night show at 7, 8 and 9 p.m, so I'm hoping to hit the 7 p.m. night show at the KLCC Park. So there's like a water fountain and music and light show, and I think the Petrona Towers changes colours, or possibly not, I'm not sure, but we'll see how it goes. And that's it. Like, I've got tomorrow, and then I'm off to Koh Samui for the weekend. So the bus won't be here until 10 a.m. Because, well, it's past 9 and it's not here. So here's some B-roll. Also, don't forget to stay hydrated. Enjoy the B-roll while I wait.
Is stacked. You can whisper behind my back. You can show me how the odds are up against me all day long. But I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. Oh, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't stop me now. Sacrifice. Oh, I paid the dearest price. There no shortcuts here for destiny. I'll take the long way proud. Oh, I know what I've earned, and now it's my turn. Lighting the fuse, let it burn. My time is rising, and you can't bring me down. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going. I ain't turning back around. Can't stop me. Can't stop me now. No, 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 no. You can't stop me now. Before the storm.
Right, so you're probably going to notice this video has a lot of B-roll. Basically, there wasn't really places that I wanted to stop and see. It looked awkward. There was the palace. The bus did actually stop for 5 minutes, but I didn't want to get off and risk it. It looked like a few people actually did get stung, because like the bus was full, and then when we were leaving it was half full, so I think a few people got stung. Oh, just so you know, I'm here at the Petrona Towers. So I'm going to have a little look around. I've taken a few selfies and stuff like that. The bus hop on, hop off it's alright, like yeah, like it is what it is, but like it just felt like it was too long. It was going all the way around the city and all, so I just thought I'd just hop off here because it's not too far from where I'm staying, get some lunch. I'm back here at 5 o'clock because I'm going to cross the thing, so I'll probably make a separate video on that. But there's loads of B-roll footage of the city, so I hope you enjoy that. And then I'll probably do another video tonight. There's supposed to be a water display show, so I don't know if that's here because there's fountains. So I'm going to sort that out and try to find a place, because I want to make sure I get that light show. And that'll be after the walk up and around. So we're going to see how things go and pan out. And I hope you enjoyed the video. So I was wrong, so it's on this side here, the other side. So you just walk through the mall basically, and you get to the other side and you get to the water fountains. So there's going to be a display here at night, it's a light show and all that. So I'm going to walk around and see if I can get a good composition. I might integrate that one with the tour of the tower tonight. So it'll be on my next video if you want to like and subscribe, and you'll get notification when that comes along. Okay, so after that I'm just going to go home, recharge the batteries, my batteries as well, grab something to eat on the way, and probably have a pint, a little nap as well in there, why not, I'm on holidays. And yeah, that's it for now. Sorry I added on to this, and I'll just throw some more B-roll on. Looks very interesting. So enjoy the B-roll, and I'll catch you on the flip.
You know what's coming, so be warned. You can't